course, we've got some models here. 65 GTO AMX, AMT, excuse me, $30. 70 Mustang, $30. The Weirdos, $30. The Titanic, $30. And that's before it sank, not after it sank. '70 Ford ramp truck, 22 hardtop convertible, the C8. Finally beginning to see those. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Lehigh Valley slot car and diecast show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, your local car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and remember, while you're there, post and promote your events. See you at the shows.